Hello to all my lovely friends. I hope you're doing great. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix Productions. So this template which you see right here is one of the most professional and high quality templates which we have in Hyperpix, which helps you, enables you to easily in less than a few minutes, just with a few simple clicks, you can convert your text or logo into this magnificent style. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so, and just follow to the end of the video and you're going to see, and I'm going to prove you. So after downloading the file, you just need to install the fonts folder and open the template in Photoshop, which is a very high quality template. Just check out the details. I think it's brilliant. So we're back right here. Just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, you just need to insert your text or your ideal logo. You could just drag your logo right here. For instance, I'm going to type a text right here. I'm going to type Hyperpix at the top right here. Hyperpix, here we go. And for the bottom text, I'm going to type studio. Here we go. So I'm just going to drag the text a little. You can also change the font. I just suggest you to use a font like this font, similar to this font, to have the greatest result. So we're done right here. We just need to close and click save and wait till our result is applied. It might take a little moment depending on your system. So we're back here. As you see how amazing our style is converted into this logo. I mean, it's wonderful. So you can also change these two texts right here. You just need to double click and type anything you want. So we have one more folder right here, which is called sparkles. The sparkles are these little bright lights you see right here. You just need to select this folder, open it, and you're going to see all the sparkles which is used in this style. You can select them one by one and place them in their right place, wherever you want. I suggest you to place them on the edges and the corners to have some light reflection, which gives you the best result. So I'm just going to put on fast forward and do it, so don't take your time. As you see, I'm going to select the first one, place it on the right place, the second one, and the third one. So we're almost done. The sparkles are, mostly of them are in the right place. So I'm going to just remove the extra ones just like this. As you see, all the sparkles are placed in the right position. I'm just going to close this folder, and the style folder is the effects and the styles which create this style, which is the main settings. I suggest you to just ignore this folder. The final folder is the lights folder, which is this little light shining from down here. You can just select it and select color overlay and have your favorite color right here. Select it, and you're going to see that it appears right here at the bottom. Also, the other folder which you can change the color. So we're done here with the text right now, and now we're going to see how it's going to work on a logo. So I'm going to use one of the famous logos for this. I'm going to see how the result is going to turn out to be. Just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content one more time. So now in this window, I'm going to insert my logo, drag it right here. Just adjust the size of the logo. I think it's great right here. It's excellent. So we don't need these two texts right here. Just remove them. And here we go. Check out if it's right in the center. I think it's perfect. Everything's excellent. Everything's in its right place. So we just need to close the window and click save. So as you see how amazing it looks. As you see, our style is also apply to our logo as well. Just the sparkles is left, which, as I explained earlier, you can just select them one by one, drag them and place them on the right place, and also remove the ones that are extra. You can just also just keep one sparkle remaining, remove all the others, and get copies of it with Alt and drag all over and place in the right place, which is much more faster. It's the fastest way, which you can get on with placing the sparkles in the right place much more easier and faster, as I'm doing right now. So also, if you want to have this logo in a transparent form, you just need to switch these two layers off right here, which, as you see, we have amazing transparent right here. Also, if you switch the sparkles off, as you see, which is a interesting ability and is so attractive, and you can use it on all different projects. On some of the logos, you might see like this color right here, which you need to just open the style folder and select the 7th option, which is the color settings right here. You can just double click and like change the size or adjust it. As you see right here, I can just have a handle one, or I could just remove this color right here, as you see. With increasing the size, I removed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time and consideration. To get to our premium styles and also our free styles, just need to refer to hyperpix.net, and also share the video with your friends if you loved it.